In this video, we will discuss adding and managing clinic users in A-dec Plus. To add or manage clinic users, you must be a clinic admin. Begin by navigating to the More tab. Confirm that you are in the desired clinic. Then select Manage Users. Here you can invite new users. Enter the new user's email and select applicable permissions. Admin permission allows a user to manage the clinic, manage users, and access advanced data. Synced Equipment Profile adds a user to the list of available multi-user profiles on the office's equipment. Register Equipment allows a user to register equipment to the clinic. Press Send Invite to invite the user to the clinic. New users will show as pending until they accept the emailed invitation. Once the new user receives the invitation, they can select Join Now to accept. To manage an existing or pending user, select the user. Here you can update permissions or remove a user or invitation from the clinic. Press Save to update your preferences. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.